Hi, my friends, and welcome to today's 15-minute express HIIT workout. So we're gonna get you all loosened up and ready to go, and then we're gonna jump into action. You're gonna need 2 dumbbells for this workout. If you're doing this workout at home and you don't own any dumbbells, cans of soup, water bottles, backpacks or duffel bags, you could fill them up with something safe. I mean, all you need is some weight to get some recruitment. So clothing will do just fine. Books can work as well, as long as you feel that you can utilize those items without causing any damage to them, to yourself, or to anything around you. Okay, gang, so we're gonna start with a warrior maker. So the way the warrior maker goes is we are gonna squat thrust, and we're gonna grab onto our dumbbells. We're gonna hit 1 push-up, very much like military style push-up, and then we're gonna row. 1, row, the other one. Everything jumps in, we're gonna clean. Once the dumbbells are up, we thrust. So we're gonna drop and press. What I mean is thruster. So I know that's an awful lot. You can omit anything you need to, otherwise you just pace this out. So we come down, back, push up, row 1, row 2, jump in, clean, squat, and thrust. Exercise number 2 is a dumbbell deadlift. So at about shoulder width, I'm gonna point the dumbbells, and as I squat and bend forward, I'm gonna try to tap to the ground, then press through my heels, hinge my hips. I'm gonna do everything I can to keep my chest up and stop my back from rounding. Exercise 3, you just need 1 of your dumbbells. So if you got a lucky one, use that. Horizontal position, right between your toes. We're gonna do a dumbbell snatch. And we're gonna do 3 on one side, 3 on the other. So I'm gonna grab, up, tap, up, tap, up, down, switch. Same thing on the other side. Exercise number 4 is another single dumbbell exercise. It is a single arm, overhead, alternating reverse lunge. You get all that? What I'm gonna do is try to stabilize. This hand is just balancing, okay? So you put it wherever you want it to be to balance, but I alternate my lunge going backwards for 4 reps. I can do a little swing and transition. If you don't feel safe doing that, just transition. Exercise 5 is the last one, skier swing. So I'm about shoulder width, and what I'm going to do is use momentum, but try to find control. I start nice and easy, little hip hinge, get my arms lifted and swinging, and then I try to bring them up shin height, and my chest bows down, and my hips hinge back, and I snap my glutes up. So only 5 exercises in today's workout, but we have our warrior maker, which is such a big movement compound exercise, set at 90 seconds. Everything else is set at 60 seconds, maximum quality reps, bringing intensity to it, right? And we still have a reduced rest interval of 15 seconds. Let's hit it. If you felt there was a challenge, then we got you right where you need to be. Do me a favor, like this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, let me know what you're liking, what you're not liking, so that I can give you the best possible content. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It helps so very much. And click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.